Hello kids, today we are playing rhyming word challenge. Let's go. Cat. And the rhyming word is hat. Bat. The rhyming word is rat. Sun. The rhyming word is none. Run. The rhyming word is bun. Ball. The rhyming word is tall. Call. Rhyming word is wall. Dog. Rhyming word is log. Pen. Rhyming word is hen. Ben. Rhyming word is yen. Cup. Rhyming word is pup. Bug. Rhyming word is hug. Red. Rhyming word is bed. Box. Rhyming word is fox. Cake. Rhyming word is bake. Lake. Rhyming word is make. Tree. Rhyming word is bee. Car. Rhyming word is star. Man. Rhyming word is fan. Book. Rhyming word is look. Pin. Rhyming word is win. Sit. Rhyming word is hit. Top. Rhyming word is mop. Hop. Rhyming word is cop. Pan. Rhyming word is can. Net. Rhyming word is pet. Jet. Rhyming word is wet. Big. Rhyming word is pig. Dig. Rhyming word is wig. Fox. Rhyming word is box. Fat. Rhyming word is mat. Lead. Rhyming word is shed. Hope you enjoyed the video, kids. Please like and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Fun Tunica. Bye.